Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Xfinity cable and keep internet. That's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, of course, you want to go ahead and log in to your Xfinity account on their website or app. Then you need to navigate to the services section, okay, or my plan section to basically view your current subscriptions. Then to initiate a change, this is what you do, guys. You click on change plan or a similar option to basically modify your services, and then you can select interest only plan. Okay, so this is what you do. So if you're interested in internet only, then you choose internet only, right? If you are interested in only cable, you have chosen only cable, but for in our case we'll be choosing internet only. And so Xfinity basically offers you a variety of standalone internet packages. You want to go ahead and select that, and then you can call Xfinity customer service at their number, or just use the online chat feature to basically confirm the cancellation of your cable service while returning internet, right? So you retain your internet, and then you basically need to confirm the changes. So you want to verify the updated pricing and terms for your new internet only plan. And then if needed, guys, you may need to, return some cable specific equipment. Just return it to Xfinity via their authorized return locations, or just to mail it back. And there you have it, guys. You should now enjoy, uninterrupted internet without paying for cable. So I hope this guide was helpful to you. And if it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next video.